This is what heat treater RUBIG's offspring looks like. The latest development in system technology, a PVD system that coats metal, plastic or ceramic components.
During PVD coating, we work with solids, which we apply to the components from our customers in order to guarantee their highest possible protection against wear or corrosion. The process functions in a manner similar to that of a paint spray. This means that on this side there are the magnetrons. These are powerful magnetic fields in which we ignite plasma. And here is pure titanium, which we sputter through the plasma and accelerate towards the components. Using nitrogen, for example, an overall reaction is then created to form titanium nitride, which has the golden colour seen here and offers a very high level of wear protection. Typically, this is utilised for drills and milling cutters, etc.
The new system inside is also made in-house, assembled in Dorisolstraße in Wels, the RUBIG technology site.
We constitute the international part of the company group. We are a manufacturer of industrial ovens for the surface hardening of metal components. Our customers are mainly active in the automotive, aviation and medical technology fields, and with our systems we increase the service life of metal components such as classic crankshafts for the automotive industry and molds for plastic technology.
The heart of the new system is the power electronics.
This is truly a very important component within this system because via these power electronics, plasmas are produced via which coating takes place. The high vacuum reaction chamber is basically where the hardening process occurs, be it either for wear or corrosion protection.
The technology is not new, but RUBIG tailors the systems precisely to the needs of the customers.
We can operate from room temperature, so we're talking about around 80 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. This depends somewhat upon the component, the process parameters that we have to use, and the desired coating properties, as these are also influenced by temperature.
The systems from Wels go to over 40 countries around the world. The coating expert has locations in Germany, Slovakia, the USA, India and China. It all started in 1946 with a blacksmith shop.
The company now has several mainstays, ranging from the heat treatment of aluminium and steel parts to plant engineering, traditional forging technology, and the development of new processes and technologies specifically for surfaces.
The RUBIG Group exports almost half of its production internationally. There are 4 locations in Wels and sales partners in 20 countries around the world.